If you've been wanting to do a bench press from home but don't have a bench, or if a bench press hurts your shoulder towards the bottom of the downward phase, a floor press might be right for you. This video is going to cover how to do a floor press and the muscles that are targeted. I'm Dr. Elise Brown, and I'm a scientist who studies how exercise can help prevent and slow the progression of diabetes. The floor press is a similar movement as the bench press, but you lie flat on the floor instead of on a bench. The floor press limits the humerus, or the upper arm, its range of motion during the eccentric phase, or the downward phase, of a bench press-like movement. In people with certain shoulder injuries that cause pain when the humerus travels past the torso, the floor press may be a safer alternative to a full range of motion bench press. Please hit like and subscribe if you're finding this useful. Keep in mind that when we limit the range of motion in an exercise, we limit the flexibility that can be developed at the relevant joint through the exercise. We also limit the overall strength development of the muscles directly involved and potentially limit the increase in muscle size. The floor press is going to target similar muscle groups as the bench press, including the pectoralis major, coracobrachialis, anterior deltoid, triceps brachii, and anconeus. It's a multi-joint exercise that occurs in the transverse and sagittal plane, and it's considered a horizontal shoulder and arm push exercise. Lie flat on the ground on your back. You can either keep your legs straight or bend the knees so that your feet are on the ground with knees at about 90 degrees, or lift your feet off the ground, keeping your knees and hips at 90 degrees. With a weight in each hand, and this could be a barbell, dumbbell, kettlebell, and you could even use resistance bands for this. Set your humerus up so it's about 45 degrees from your torso and press flat into the floor. Make sure that your forearms are vertical and your wrists are in a neutral position. This means that you want them vertical and not cocked back. You can generate more force if the bone of the forearm is directly underneath the weight, and it's safer on your wrists. Next, press the weights or band straight up until your elbows are fully extended, and then lower to the start. Pause for a second, and then complete another rep. If you want your own diabetes resistant t-shirt or discover other ways to support the channel, please check out my merchandise link down in the description. Thank you for watching.